Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your investment cash flows with Quicken Simplifi step by step clearly. Open Quicken Simplifi on your device. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to your investment section. Select the investment account you wish to back up. Locate the cash flow information displayed on the screen. Click on the Options menu, usually represented by 3 dots or a gear icon. Choose the Download or Export option from the menu. Select the file format you prefer, such as CSV or PDF. Designate a location on your device to save the file. Click the Save button to download the cash flow data. Open the downloaded file to review the cash flows. Ensure all relevant data is present and accurate. If necessary, edit or annotate the file for clarity. Create a backup folder on your device for enhanced organization. Move the saved file into the newly created backup folder. Consider using cloud storage for additional security. Upload the backup file to your cloud storage if available. Confirm the upload is successful by checking the cloud service. Periodically review and update your backups as needed. This ensures your investment cash flows are protected over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.